Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Miss English Tip.
I'm Adam. Let's get started.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Tip, your favorite place to learn English in a simple, natural, and confident way. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. And today's topic is something that almost every English learner struggles with. Not grammar, not vocabulary, but something deeper. Overthinking.
You know English. You understand. You learn. But when it's time to speak, you stop.
And in that moment, your mind becomes very loud. You start thinking, is this correct? What if I make a mistake? What if people judge me? And then, you say nothing.
So today, we are going to help you break that cycle. We are going to show you how to stop thinking. And finally, start talking. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Let's understand the problem first. Why do you overthink? It's not because you don't know English, it's because you are afraid of mistakes, judgment, embarrassment.
And sometimes, you are afraid of yourself. You want to sound perfect. You want to sound fluent. You want to sound like a native speaker, but that pressure stops you. Perfection is not your friend. Perfection is your enemy. If you wait to speak perfectly, you will never speak.
Let me tell you something important. Nobody speaks perfectly. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Here is something interesting. Your brain tries to translate everything, from your language to English, and that takes time. So when you speak, you pause, you hesitate, you stop.
And this creates a bad habit. You think too much, instead of speaking naturally. Stop translating, start thinking in simple English. Instead of, how do I say this perfectly? Say, what is the simplest way to express this? Let's make it simple. You don't need difficult grammar. You don't need big words. You just need clear words, simple sentences, confidence, example. Instead of saying, I would like to express my opinion regarding this situation, just say, I think this is good. Simple, clear, and effective.
And honestly, simple English sounds more natural.
Exactly. Simple is powerful.
Sarah, can I say something?
Of course.
When you speak English, even if you make small mistakes, you sound confident. And confidence is very attractive.
So mistakes are okay?
Mistakes are part of your voice. They make you real.
I like that, because many learners think mistakes are failure. But actually, mistakes are progress. Now let's give you a real method. Something you can do every day. Every day, speak for 2 minutes. Without stopping, talk about anything. Your day, your feelings, your plans. Important rules. Don't stop. Don't correct yourself immediately. Don't think too much. Just speak. Example. Today I wake up early. I feel tired, but I want to improve. I drink coffee. I listen English. Not perfect, but real.
And the more you do this, the easier it becomes. Fear is natural, but action is stronger. Every time you feel afraid to speak, speak anyway. Because courage is not the absence of fear. It's action, despite fear.
Your first sentence will be difficult. Your second will be easier. Your third will feel natural. Overthinking comes from tension. So relax. Before speaking, take a deep breath. Smile. Slow down.
English is not a race. It's a journey. Language is about connection, not perfection. Your goal is not to speak perfectly. Your goal is to be understood.
Sarah, and when people understand you, that's success. So remember, stop waiting, stop overthinking, start speaking. Your voice is more important than your grammar. And like we always do, here is your English tip. Use I think when you don't know how to start a sentence. Example, I think this is good. I think I need practice.
And now, your word of the day is hesitate. Is to pause before doing something because you feel unsure. Example: don't hesitate to speak English.
Thank you for being with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Keep speaking, keep improving, and believe in your voice.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.